90% of fish lives in 10% of the waters. It's very similar in finance, and you better be careful not to be the bait once you find that 10% area. If you are the guy who still copies trades from live sessions or signal groups, stop doing that. You have to sit down and do the work. There is no shortcut if you want to be a profitable trader. You can't just show up in your free time, turn on your screens and think there is a trade waiting for you. Even if your exchange is trying to convince you otherwise. Yes, there is always another trade out there, but maybe not for you. And you need to be prepared, especially now when the markets are looking for new levels. So sit down and start planning. Create a watch list on TradingView of assets you are interested in. Find the charts you want to trade and stick to them. Stop jumping from chart to chart without even knowing what it is. Technical analysis is just one part. There is so much more to it. And if you want to dig deeper, join TradingSpaces and learn it the right way. If you want to trade, make sure it's on a trustworthy exchange. I use BTCC. Use my link and you'll get a lot of benefits right from the start. Not financial advice? Do your own research and see you in the next one. Bye bye.